Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with walking directions and live view. Open Google Maps and choose a walking route. Once done, grant camera and location access so the app can overlay arrows accurately. This is why calibration matters. Make sure your phone supports AR Core or AR Kit, otherwise live view won't appear. Start by holding the phone upright, scanning the surroundings so the app matches map features to what you see. This immediate step gets live view ready, rather than wasting time in settings. You now calibrate and engage live view. Sweep the camera slowly across buildings and sky to collect reference points, because more visual data reduces drift. Once the blue live view banner shows, tap it and follow the large 3D arrow and street labels. This visual layer explains where to turn at a glance. Make sure to glance at the small map overlay if the scene is cluttered, and pinch to adjust zoom. Combining AR cues with the minimap keeps you on the exact path. You finish by following the last live view arrows to your destination. When close, lock the pin or switch to the standard map for precise arrival steps. If tracking drifts, move to an open area, rescan for 5 to 10 seconds to recalibrate. This restores alignment. If problems persist, update Google Maps, clear app cache, or restart the phone. Make sure AR Core or AR Kit is installed. These troubleshooting moves fix most issues, so live view remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.